Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm here to pick the winner for my 5,000 subscriber giveaway challenge, and the winner will receive the fabric book, as you know. And here are all the entries. If you did a VR, then you have two entries, not one, two entries in here, and I want to thank you all for your VRs and your beautiful comments. Just want to make sure these are closed before I pick a winner. Okay, let's mix these all up, and I want to say thank you to all of you. You've just been so amazing and wonderful. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, closing my eyes. Oh, I got two. Let's see who it is. C's Vintage Gifts and More. Connie, you won. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy for you. Connie won. Yay, Connie. That's so amazing, Connie. I'm so happy for you. And I'm also going to be making a custom piece, so we'll talk about that. So contact me, please, either on Facebook or leave a message, or I'm pretty sure you're on my Facebook. Yeah, you are. And we can message back and forth, and I'll probably need your address again because I'm really terrible with that. So yes, I will need your address. But please contact me, Connie. And yay, I am so happy for you, Connie. Yay! You win the book. Yay, Connie, you win the book and a custom piece. So I just want to show that everybody's name was in here. I want to show everybody that. There's Sonja. You can see that all the names are in here. There's Jeannie. Hi, Jeannie. Rhonda. Sue Sanders. Let's pick this one. Candy. Let's pick this one. So you can see everybody's name was in here. Rustic Ink Angel Designs, and we'll pick one more just to show you. There is Julie Derry. So everybody's names are in here. You know, I just want to make sure you guys know that everybody had an equal chance of winning. So there we are. Congratulations, Connie. I am so happy for you. I'm really excited that and somebody's calling me. All right. I'll end it there. But Connie, let me know. And I will talk to you soon, sweetie. Congrats. Bye for now.